Zoho Mail remains a strong, cost-effective inbox for businesses right now, offering a clean, ad-free interface, reliable deliverability, native collaboration inside the Zoho ecosystem, and generous attachment and storage policies that make it ideal for small to mid-sized teams. Its admin controls and security features, including 2FA, SSO, and domain management, are mature enough for most corporate use cases, and integrations with Zoho's CRM, Desk, and Creator reduce friction when you already run Zoho apps. The trade offs are familiar. The UI is utilitarian rather than delightful. Advanced customization and third party integrations lag best in class competitors. And power users working at enterprise scale will hit performance and workflow limits unless they invest in custom setup or middleware. Support quality is generally solid but can be uneven on complex migrations, and pricing remains very competitive while adding higher tiers for compliance and archival needs. Use Zoho Mail if you want dependable email tightly integrated with a broader business suite and low total cost of ownership. Move on if you need top tier email UX, ultra deep third party cost ecosystem rich, or zero compromise enterprise performance.